From here on out, just turn me up. RP mommy, nigga, RP grandma, they know what I do it for. Let's get it. Nigga, I was dreaming luxury. Stuck in position, just trying to.
What's up, YouTube channel? This is Outstanding TV Live. Thank you for joining my channel. But today I am doing an unboxing of my products that I get every month. You know me. I get my products every month. So this is me doing my review. Actually opening up the box. The first time with y'all. The first bag with y'all, you know, so we can see what. See, I got this shampoo last time too. I don't know why they keep sending me the same shampoo, but I love this shampoo. This shampoo works miracles on my hair, so I'm actually happy to get the shampoo again. Okay, let's see. We got the little blue bag. First review. Something different. I'm gonna do my research. I got the email, so I'm gonna do the research on it and everything. But this is just me opening it up for the first time and actually showing y'all. Oh, it's blue on this side, it's purple on that side. Oh, I love that. Because you know I'm with the blue. I might just put it on today because I got the blue here. And mostly, I got this too. I'm going to do my research and see what everything is good for. But I do love this. I'm happy they sent me this again because I was running out. So it's mostly like 2 products I had from last time. So I'm happy about that. And it's just the new colors, the pink and the blue eyelash cream. I'm making eyelashes with different color. And that's mostly it for this month. So, come back to me next month when we do another open. And I think I'm going to change my menu up from just makeup and hair and try to do nails next month. So I'm going to go in, because you know you got to do it before the before the 3rd of the month. Change your products up so they'll be ready to ship your new products out and everything. But yeah, that's what I got this month. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. My name is Outstanding Smith, and my channel is Outstanding Smith Live. I'm going to leave a link down here at the bottom. So just follow me.